Let's get connected. First, plug in your external hard drive to your Ubuntu machine. Ubuntu should recognize the drive and display an icon, like this one, on your desktop. If it doesn't show up immediately, don't worry, we'll fix that. Open the disk's utility, find your external drive listed on the left side, double-check you select the correct drive to avoid data loss. If the drive is new or not formatted for Linux, you'll need to format it. This might mean creating a partition table and then formatting the partition, which will erase all data. Choose a file system like Ext4 if you primarily use Linux, and consider backing up your files. After formatting, or even if it came formatted, mount the drive. This gets it ready to access. Find the mount icon and press it. Now, the fun part. Open your file manager and copy your precious files to the external drive. For automatic backup options, or for games or other applications that use the external drive, reconfigure the settings. Consider backing up your game library on the external drive.